Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Today we'll show you for emergency light fixing in kitchen for the emergency purpose how to will fix how to will be connection. Number one. Number two will show you the wooden decorative frame which is movable clockwise, anti-clockwise according to the kitchen temperature. The third one is the down light which is designed for the kitchen like 6 pieces according to dimension, and by lux by lumens it's 6 pieces will be enough, and 20 watts and warm white 3000, okay, which is much suitable for the kitchen. You will see in video.